Understanding lavender syrup in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, lavender syrup. This is a delightful and aromatic topic, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's dive in. Lavender syrup is a sweet, floral-flavored liquid used to enhance the taste of various foods and beverages. It's made by combining sugar, water, and lavender flowers. The flowers infuse their distinct aroma and flavor into the syrup, creating a unique and pleasant taste experience. This syrup is a popular ingredient in culinary arts, especially in desserts and drinks. It can be drizzled over pancakes, added to cocktails, or used in baking to give a subtle lavender flavor. It's a versatile ingredient that can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. In different cultures, lavender syrup has varying significance. It's often associated with elegance and sophistication. In some places, it's used in traditional dishes during special occasions, signifying celebration and festivity. The phrase, lavender syrup, can also be used metaphorically in English. It might imply something that is sweet and comforting, but also unique and luxurious. Understanding such nuances is crucial for English language learners, as it enriches communication. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Lavender syrup is more than just a culinary delight. It's a phrase that can add flavor to your language skills too. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English.